All right, welcome to another video. Not even gonna lie, I always have a bad habit forgetting to record when I start working on this car, and I said I would start recording more. So here I am mid-process of doing the downpipes on the car. I got it up in the air, and like I said, I already started, so I'll run down. Took off the intakes, the heat shields. I just loosened the bracket for this heat shield. I'm about to slide that out as well. Once I get that out, loosen up these clamps, and then pop that off, and then just gonna cut them from underneath, and then we'll slide in the new downpipes. That's a little quick recap, but let me go ahead and finish taking off that heat shield back here, which it has some bolts down there you have to take off, and you're gonna be using a lot of the inverted Torx, the 10. It's either like the opposite, yeah. But let me go ahead and get this off. All right, so what I ended up doing was just taking off the clamps, and then I ended up removing the lower bracket bolts, which is hard to see, but they're like right there where, yeah, they were down there because I couldn't get these out, and I still couldn't get this out. But since they're connected together, it makes them loose, so now you can move them. So now I'm gonna go ahead and go under the car and go ahead and take off the splash shield, and then we'll go from there. All right, so as you can see, I got the splash shield off. I got my saw over there. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut right above the cat, so right up there on both sides, and then we should be able to pull them out from the top, and then just unbolt it from back there, and those should slide right out the bottom half. So we're gonna go ahead and begin sawing, and hopefully everything goes good. So I'll keep you guys updated. All right, so you can see right here, we got the downpipes, and I'm not gonna lie, these are the Alibaba special. Now we're gonna find out if these actually make power or not. Okay, as you can see, got it cut. It's loose. Got the other side cut as well. Now we're gonna go ahead and remove them. And like once you have all the brackets loose, it should be just nothing but twisting and trying to get it out. So we'll see how this goes. All right, we got all 4 cats out. Wasn't too bad. Now to transfer those sensors onto the new downpipes. All right, so I got everything back together. I didn't record that process. My phone died, but it wasn't very hard. Just put the new downpipes in, reconnected everything, and that was it. It wasn't too complicated. Looks OEM. Put all the heat shield back on, and now we're gonna go ahead and start it. Enjoy it, go ahead and follow along and subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next one.